Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making roasted beets. So hop on board and let's get cooking. Remove the stems, cut into wedges. Get our olive oil sprayer. Stir. Now we take half a teaspoon of salt, quarter of a teaspoon of white black pepper. Till the beets are well coated, take our sprig of rosemary, peel some off. Put half a sprig, chop with our knife. And add it to our beets. Stir until well combined. Spread them in a single layer. Bake it in our preheated oven. If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes.